Hello Holochain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Holochain. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price update of Holochain. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Holochain, guys. So let's start the video, guys. Now the right now price of Holochain is 0.009969 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Holochain. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes of Holochain, so now the last 1 hour changes of Holochain is negative 1.42%. The last 1 day changes is about positive 0.79%, and same like that the last 1 week changes is completely negative 1.48%. The price dumps, the price decrease in the market, guys, very badly. So guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your price update about Holochain? Also tell me in the comment box. Let me show you the price chart of Holochain. Oh my god, you can see here, guys, on 14 September the price taken a huge pump. But if I zoom the price chart, so just in the last 2 hours the price jumps. You can see here, in a previous time the price jumped, but in the latest situation the price jumps. So possibilities, guys, that is a temporary jumps, that is a temporary fast, and after 2 hours, after 5 hours the price will again pump, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Holochain? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.